All right, folks. Your practical tip for this week is to be aware of the ABCs of negativity, right? A being anger, B being bitterness, and C being complaining, right? These are the three things that can lead you down a dark path and that don't help you in the long run, right? So what do you do with anger? Anger fuels your emotions, it fuels your fire, and can make you make some poor decisions. And so replace that with awareness. Be aware of how you're feeling. Be aware that this is a telltale sign of weakness and that you need to convert that awareness to understand how can you control yourself to actually make a better decision moving forward. Okay, replace bitterness with betterment. All right, so instead of feeling that destructive force and that negativity, think about how can you better the situation and take the facts for what they are and kind of create a path moving forward to actually improve the situation. Okay, and the third part is complaining. You're trying to convert complaining into contribution, right? And so you can take the energy that you can that you're putting into complaining and think about, all right, how can you actually improve the situation and what can you actually do to either help yourself or help the people around you or help the situation to be in a better state, right? Because complaining without any kind of action is useless. All right, so the ABCs: anger, bitterness, and complaining. You're gonna try to replace that with being aware and focus on betterment and making some constructive contributions. All right, thanks for watching. And if all else fails, just have some fried chicken. It's gonna make you feel way better. Thanks for watching.